Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. If the weather is nice, you bet David and I are barbecuing something. It's a turntable of amazing grilled food. It can be rotisseries, steaks, burgers and hot dogs, veggies, as well as skewers, like this one. Yakitori Chicken Skewers. These popular Japanese street foods are so yummy, plus super easy to make. It's another delicious barbecue recipe for you to try. So let's get cooking. We'll go ahead and make the marinade. In a small saucepan over medium heat, we'll add soy sauce, then mirin, followed by sake, both rice wine, but read the blog to find out their differences, a couple tablespoons of brown sugar, some ponzu sauce, which has a nice citrusy flavor, a tablespoon of minced ginger, and a couple cloves of pressed garlic. We'll stir well and bring the mixture to a boil. We'll reduce the heat and let it simmer gently until the sauce thickens a little, about 10 minutes. When the sauce is slightly thicker and has reduced a bit, similar to this, we'll remove from the heat and let it cool to room temperature. It should take around 45 to 60 minutes. Later on, when the sauce is no longer hot, we'll continue with the recipe. Here's our chicken breast that we cut into 1-inch cubes, and we'll pour the marinade over, but reserve a third of a cup of it. We'll use it for basting the skewers. We'll stir until the meat is nicely coated, cover, and transfer to the fridge for at least 4 hours, but preferably overnight. The next day, or a few hours later, we'll give another good stir before skewering the chicken pieces, leaving a little space in between the meat. If you want, you can add some tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, and so on. Then we'll move on to the barbecue. We'll bring the temperature between 500 to 550 degrees Fahrenheit and generously coat the grates with canola oil. We'll place the skewers on the grill, close the lid, and cook for 4 minutes before flipping them. We'll generously baste them with our reserved sauce, close the lid again, and barbecue them for an additional 4 minutes. When time is up, we'll baste once again, making sure to cover the meat entirely with it, and then remove the skewers from the heat. We'll serve them on a bed of rice and garnish with chopped green onions. And my friends, these are our Yakitori Chicken Skewers. With a tasty Asian flair, these skewers are a great barbecue recipe to add to your folder. It's another delicious way to enjoy chicken this summer. I hope you give them a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!